stay in Ursa?
I'm Fathinah, year 2 sociology, and I'm from Akila.
I am Jean, I'm from FST, and I am from Leo.
I'm Kai Ting, I'm from computer science, and I'm also from Leo.
What facilities does RC4 has? Sorry. This is wrong English, right? What facilities does RC4 has?
My favorite facility is the MPSH because I love playing floorball.
RC4 also has many other facilities, like they have TR4, which is a cooking room. We also have a gym, and we have a games room where you can play mahjong or pool.
Yeah, and every single house has a lounge. Every single floor has a lounge, and that's where a lot of people like hang out.
RC4 has a really nice pool table.
Two.
Two pool tables. RC4 has nice study rooms, as Miss Ho can attest to.
Oh, got mahjong table, got the manual one where you can swim like that. Got the auto one that he brought in. But you must join Leo. Only Leo has this privilege.
How many mahjong tables are there in RC4?
Too many, but that's a good thing. In every house, there's at least one table, I think. So if you like mahjong, you should definitely come to RC4.
What are the houses in RC4? Starting from the bottom, we have Akila, which are levels 3 to 5. Then Nocta, which are levels 6 to 8. Then Ursa, which is levels 9 to 11. Followed by Leo and Draco, which are the remaining few.
Celynn is the Ursa house head.
Vice house head.
So for the house events, we usually do like chalking where we go around door to door and chalk the doors around the houses. And for Akila, we have a monthly birthday celebration where we get cake and celebrate the birthdays for the month.
For my house, we recently just had Ursa barbecue. We all went down to West Coast Park, and it was a get-together to get to know like the new exchanges and returning seniors who have SR and returned to RC4. Okay, let's move on to the next question.
What is the residency duration in RC4? Normally people stay for 2 years, but if you do go overseas or whatever during your first 2 years, you can still stay for the full 2 years. It's just that your duration of stay will be maybe year 1 sem 1 to year 2 sem 1, then year 3 sem 1. And then if you are keen, you can apply for
Senior retention.
Senior retention,
Or you
yes.
can be a residential assistant. Basically, every level has like this 一个天使 angel.
Oh, you Chinese! You Chinese!
They will take care, angel. They will take care of the floor. So like, if I don't know, your door spoil, you cannot enter any rooms. You need to print something. You hungry? I don't know. You can go and find them. They can settle anything and everything for you.
Yeah, they're like gods. And they also give free food sometimes.
Yeah.
Yesterday's supper event, free amins. Not bad, not bad.
What room types are there in RC4? So there are 2 types of rooms in RC4. One would be the single corridor room, and the second one would be a 6-bedroom suite apartment style. I stay in the corridor room, so the facilities I have would just be the room and a shared toilet amongst other residents on my corridor. Fathinah stays in the suite, so...
Yeah, so in the suite I have 5 other neighbours and we have a shared living area as well as a shared toilet. So I think it's quite fun because you get your own community in the suite.
All the rooms in RC4 has aircon.
That's true. That's why you should come to RC4.
What is RC4 looking for in its applicants?
RC4 is known for systems thinking. So if you're interested in systems thinking, you can check out RC4. And to be honest, I think RC4 is just looking for a diverse community of people who are interested in learning about systems thinking as well as joining a fun community.
Yeah, I think RC4 has quite a vibrant student life. We have, I think, the most number of IGs compared to the other RCs, and if you are willing to contribute and have fun and want to meet new people, I would say that you are a good fit for RC4.
to apply to RC4, you actually have to write like 2 essays, and I think the most important thing is to showcase how you can contribute to this community, either through like intangible skills, or actually tangible skills as well. For example, our Mr. Cameraman, who is so good at photography and videography, and he's filming this.
And a director also.
Yeah, and also if you want to be like interest group head, you can teach people how to play sports, how to dance, how to play pool.
Go for RC4Q. Okay,
Yeah, he teach me how to play pool, man. He also teach me how to play mahjong a bit. Multi-talented, let's put it in a
Yes,
better
that's
way.
correct. I think one other thing is that they are looking for people who are willing to try new things. So, I mean, be it sports or, you know, whatever other non-sport interest groups that there are at RC4. There's a bunch of things that you can try, and then I think they're always looking for people who want to try new things. So, yeah.
I think the point of staying in RC is after these 4 semesters, you want to come out as a better, more skilled person. Yeah.
Very politically correct answer.
You can just share why you came to RC4.
To be very honest, I came to RC4 because Fathinah applied to RC4. But I am very glad I chose to come to RC4 because I'm an engineering student. So I mean, RC4 is known to have a large majority of engineers, which is true, but there are also people from other faculties. But for me, it was easier for me to find other people who are in engineering as well, who can help me out with modules or who can like share advice, especially seniors who have taken the mods before.
For me, I chose RC4 because it was the newest college. So they have nicer facilities and every single room has aircon. So that was a selling point for me. But I also enjoy RC4 because being a FAIR student, I don't really meet a lot of engineers or people from different courses. But in RC4, I get to see different perspectives and meet many different people.